Most people don't lose strength because their body is broken. They lose it because they stop using a few critical movement patterns. Over time, joints stiffen, muscles weaken, posture collapses, and everyday movements start to feel harder than they should. The good news? This decline isn't inevitable. If you want to stay strong, mobile, and pain-free for decades, there are a few science-backed exercises your body absolutely needs on a regular basis. These movements protect your joints, rebuild stability, and restore the kind of strength that actually carries over into real life. Today, I'm breaking down 3 of the most important ones. The third is the most overlooked, and skipping it is one of the biggest reasons people stay stiff, unstable, and injury-prone over time. If you care about moving well, staying independent, and building strength that lasts, hit like, subscribe, and let's get started. Exercise 1. Wall sits. Wall sits are a fundamental tool for joint longevity. As we age, the connective tissues around the knees often weaken, not because of time, but due to a lack of stable loading. Scientific research shows that isometric holds like the wall sit help repair tendons and wake up the muscles around your knees. For beginners, lean against a wall with your feet about 12 inches out. Bend your knees slightly to a comfortable angle. Aim for 2 minutes of total hold time throughout the day. If you're intermediate, slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Focus on pressing your lower back into the wall and build up to 5 minutes daily. If you're advanced, go deeper and vary foot distance. Accumulate 10 minutes total. Regular practice builds bulletproof knees and postural stamina, making stairs feel effortless again. Takeaway: wall sits are your insurance policy for your knees. Master them to maintain your freedom of movement. Exercise 2. Deep squats. The deep squat is a primal human resting position that most adults in the West have completely lost. Losing this range of motion is a primary cause of lower back pain and stiff hips. Biomechanics research shows the ability to perform a deep squat is a key indicator of functional longevity. Deep squats decompress the spine and restore the natural hinge of the hips, taking pressure off your joints. For beginners, hold onto a door frame or sturdy table for balance. Sit back as low as you can while keeping your heels flat. Hold for 30 seconds at a time. If you're intermediate, squat without support, chest tall and heels down. Spend 2 to 3 minutes total in this position daily. If you're advanced, settle into the bottom of the squat and gently shift side to side to open the ankles. Aim for 5 to 10 minutes throughout the day. This isn't an exercise in the traditional sense, it's a restoration of your body's natural mechanics. Takeaway: use deep squats to reclaim your mobility. If you don't use this range of motion, you will lose it. Exercise 3. Horse stance. The horse stance is the ultimate test of structural integrity. While the wall sit uses support, the horse stance forces your hips, glutes, and core to stabilize your entire frame in space. Research into functional stiffness shows stances like this strengthen the lateral stabilizers of the hips, the muscles that help prevent falls and hip fractures as we age. For beginners, stand with your feet twice shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out. Sink down just a few inches and hold. Accumulate 2 minutes daily. If you're intermediate, bring your thighs closer to parallel. Keep your pelvis tucked and your spine long. Hold for 3 to 5 minutes total. If you're advanced, settle into the bottom of the squat and gently shift side to side to open the ankles. Aim for 5 to 10 minutes throughout the day. This isn't an exercise in the traditional sense. It's a restoration of your body's natural mechanics.
Takeaway: the horse stance is the secret to staying grounded. It builds deep strength that protects you from the inside out.
These 3 exercises form a powerful foundation for long-term strength, mobility, and joint health. But the horse stance stands above the rest. It builds the deep structural strength that holds your entire body together and keeps you stable in real life, not just in workouts. None of this works without consistency. A few minutes a day done regularly will outperform any complicated program you can't stick to. Start today. Pick one hold, set a timer, and build the habit. Your future strength depends on what you do consistently, not occasionally. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more simple, science-backed training that actually works, and I'll see you in the next video.